You don't do the.
You don't do
You're still doing it.
This is a water.
I mean, we're definitely leaving 3.5 hours later, and I reckon we'll arrive in Recife maybe just after 10, maybe later tonight. So yeah, it's another day gone. The only team inland.
Broken.
Still over 1,000 kilometers.
She's cleaning it.
Go away.
You know me, I'm safe side. Too safe. Freddie has a spiritual treat in
I don't want to do it too loud.
Yeah.
Mama, try.
No. I'm okay.
Now it's wet. Bleh.
Ayan, magandang morning mga bebs. I-try natin itong ano ko. Itong mic ko. Ang nakakainis lang kasi dito sa mic na to, kailangan, anuhan mo siya, yung i-click mo na i-click dyan sa video, bago siya gagana, i-click mo muna siya dyan na ano, yung, so kada ano ko, hindi siya naka-fix na naka-microphone lang siya. Hindi siya ganun, hindi siya naka-fix ng ganun. Kaya yun ang nakakabwisit. Ano ba to? Ay, hindi pala hindi siya naka-click dun. So, magandang morning. Grabe, antok na antok ako. Pag ano ako, yung pagod, kakagising ng pagod na, alam mo yung nararamdaman na gano'n, parang gusto mo pa rin siya matulog, gano'n. Ay, naku, gano'n siya. So, plancha-plancha muna tayo. Ayun na pala, gising na siya. Gising si Chisawa. Isala downstairs. Thank you. Dali lang ha, magpa-plancha lang ako. Need daw niya ng mic. Need daw niya ng mic. So, try natin gamitin tong mic natin, mga bebs. Try natin. You press it. You press it. Oscar! Little monkey, aren't you? Ang kulit ni Oscar. Ella, start eating. You'll be starting eating at 8 again. 20 minutes. Ay, naku. Every single day, ganito kaming dalawa. Ayun na siya. You press, ha? So that is...
I did. Can you hear me?
Itong mic. Can
you hear me?
Kung okay yung magiging, lalabasan.
I'm gonna pop it.
Kanina ko pa siya sinasabihan na kumain na. Ang kulit.
I got this.
Ow! Ang init. Natural mainit. Luka-luka.
Oscar's eating.
Ayan. Corn dog ang kanyang lunch for the day. Do you want me to put some ketchup? Wait, not tayong ketchup.
I see a little face. I see a mouse.
Lagay tayo ng ketchup niya.
It has 2 dots, a nose, and then that, and then what the
So
smoke
today,
made
ang gagawin ko
is.
today kasi,
And then it's getting cold. And then when it's cold, it's getting cold.
what were we saying that I'm gonna get you something today? What was it?
Huh?
What was it that I'm thinking to get you something today? I said I'm gonna get you Today I'm gonna go to, and then you said you can only get it in Asda, Tesco. What was that?
Oh, hairspray thingy.
Hairspray.
Detangler.
Detangler yun. Hindi yun hairspray, mga bebs. Pero may hairspray naman kami. Yung detangler. Kasi
Hair detangler.
yung hair niya nakakatawa. Yung masyado siyang yung mahirap siyang suklayin sa umaga. Naku, Diyos ko.
Got a pumpkin from Flying Tigers.
Hindi niya to ininom.
It's a little
Ewan bakit.
pumpkin.
Do you wanna try this one?
Okay.
Smoothie. Cherry, strawberries, and apple.
Pinipilitan mo siya.
Ayan siya, mga bebs. Tingnan natin kung maganda to sa mukbang.
Oscar had zoomies.
Oscar Hasunis. So, breakfast tayo. Ngayon ako nag-breakfast ulit. Minsan kumakain ako, minsan madalas hindi. Pag hindi ko pa feel na kumain. So, nagahamba natin kasi si Tisay hindi makita. Ayan. Mukbang. I wonder if you can hear it. Kape. Kape.
Sorry.
No. Kape.
Cup.
Nope.
Liquid.
Kape is coffee.
Coffee.
Yes. Ang pangalan mo?
Eat.
Ano pangalan mo?
Ella.
Ella.
Yeah.
Ano gusto mo?
Eat.
Gusto mo eat? Okay. Saan ka punta?
And sleep.
Saan ka punta? Saan punta si Ella? Saan is where? Remember?
Kitchen.
And after that, saan? Saan? After kitchen, saan? Saan ka punta?
Huh?
Saan ka punta? Where are you going? Where? Saan is where?
School.
Saan ka punta? Inuunti-unti ko siya. Tagalugin. May naiintindihan naman na siya. Don't forget about this. You might go to school. What is that, Ella? Why do you have a mic? What are you gonna say? Wait lang po. Nandito pa rin kami. Ito, pinili namin yan sa Flying Tiger. Doon sa Rushden Lakes. Tapos, nakabili kami nitong payong kasi yung payong namin nasira. Tapos, bumili ako ng payong sa Pilipinas. Natanggal naman yun dito. Ewan ko kung paano gagawin ni tatay. Sabi niya, wag daw itapon na ayusin niya. Kasi nga, okay pa naman siya eh. Ito lang. Ewan ko saan napunta. Tapos, yun, naiwanan namin. We forgot this sa Rushden Lakes, dun sa kinainan namin, sa Bills. Malapit na kami dito, no, nasa halfway through na kami. Sabi ko kay tatay, nakalimutan natin yung binili natin. Kasi siya may hawak nun. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, in-move ko siya. Ang nakakatawa, tiningnan niya pa bago kami umalis eh. Hindi niya napansin yung, yung bag. Anyways, ito. Para rin siyang, ewan ko kung okay to. 10 pounds yata ito. Parang ganun. Mahal.
10 pounds.
Yeah. I think 10 pounds siya. Parang ganun.
The umbrella.
10 pounds siya. Ayan. Okay naman. Parang nandyan lang din to. Sana hindi siya agad masira. Ayan. Kasi pag naglalakad kami ni Ella is the only one who got payong. Say payong. This is payong. Because this is called payong. Payong is umbrella. You call it before, my umbrella. Yung sabi niya, my umbrella's getting wet. Siyempre getting wet. It's raining. My umbrella getting wet. Sabi niya ganun eh. Tawa.
Umbrella?
Oo. Yes. You say umbrella. Not umbrella. Umbrella. Ella.
How do you wait? Can I get out? Try. Wait.
Yun si Oscar. Push it up. Sige. Ayan. So, may umbrella na si Mama. Kasi pag naglalakad nga kami, na wala si tatay, naglalakad kami. Maulan ngayon na eh. Balik sa rainy season na naman dito sa... Hindi nila dinigdag yan sa season nila. Raining.
I got a stitch one.
Yes, right. Finish your drink because we're going upstairs. We need to find
I
socks.
thought I wanted the button ones.
Hmm?
I like the button ones.
Yeah. Yeah, because you just click it and then it comes out.
That was too hard.
Yeah. Don't worry, the purple one is fine. Ano lang siya, natanggal lang yung screw. It's just a screw. I'll ask Dada to find a screw for that. Yun lang naman yung problema niya, yung screw. Galing pa naman ng Pinas yun. Tapos favorite color ni Mama ko. Alam niyo ba kahapon kasi di ba birthday ni Mama?
Oh.
Birthday ni Mama Paul yesterday. Na last birthday yesterday. So for 2 days, Mama's crying. On of crying kasi namiss ko nga si Mama. Tapos alam niyo yung naano pa ako sa sarili ko, lalo lang ako naiyak kasi alam niyo yung kasi bigla ako may naisip. Tapos kasi pag may naiisip ako na kailangan ko ng yung advice or meron akong bigla naisip tapos tatanungin ko si Mama or meron akong yun nga yung ganon, ginagawa ko sa kanya, tumatawag ako. Tapos, ayun, pag-uusapan namin yun. Tapos maya-maya yung kung ano naman pinag-uusapan namin ng bata ako. Yung mga maritesa namin sa pamilya. Yan yung ginagawa namin ni Mama. Tapos nawala sa utak ko, tatawagan ko. Tapos sabi ko, sandali, para kang sira, Hazel. Wala na si Mama Paul. Yun. Ayoko na nga, mamaya maiyak na naman ako eh. Sandali lang ha, si Ella. They're just gonna sort out Ella. Ella, can you please finish your milk? Tingnan niyo to. Ayan. At yan dyan Kasi ilang araw na ulan. Splash. Ayan Kanina yung dinaanan din namin. Lubog. Ulan pa more. Peterborough. Queen's Gate. Yung car park sa taas. Traffic, grabe. Bebs, tingnan nyo to. Nandito na nga pala kami. Ngayon si asawa. Magpe-pay ng parking yan. Tingnan nyo to. Ang ganda Kita nyo yan. Ganda no? Alam nyo kuha pa yung ng mukha. Ang galing ng mukha ng bata. Tingnan nyo. Ang galing. Ganda no? Ang ganda niya. So ito yung car park. Mura-mura dito eh. Hindi naman kami magtatagal dito kasi susunduin pa namin si Ella. Nakita niya lang kasi siguro na naboboard ako sa bahay. Gusto ko sana lumabas. Plano ko talagang lumabas kasi kaso napakalakas ng ulan kanina. Kaya parang na-dismayado ako. Ang ganda ayun Ang galing. Ang ganda niya. Hindi kami magtatagan. Lilibot-libot lang. Probably nag-aano ng pagkain. yun. Tapos susunduin na namin si Ella. Alam nyo dito, di ba, umuulan ngayon. Alam nyo mga babes, bihira ka makakakita na may may nakapayong. Walang umbrella. Kung makakita ka ng may umbrella, mga foreigner yun, o di kaya yung mga matatanda. Makikita mo lang dito naka-hat sila or naka-raincoat sila. Ganun. So, sandali lang ha. Yun yung Queen's Gate. Sandali lang. Video natin. Tapos ito yung buong £2.20 ganon. Miss, ito. Gusto ko to. Ayan. Ang dami ko. Filipino, Nasa Filipino shop na naman ako. What else? Ito, nam-nam. Try natin nam-nam. Marami pa akong ginis sa mix eh. Or 2 ginis sa mix. Nam, pwede na to nam-nam. Nam-nam. What else? Pansit Canton. Nori.
You need a chair so the husbands can sit down.
Sira. Babe, bundak ko lang pink eh. May goreng, babe. $50 ang may goreng. Ayan. Puro na ako noodles. Mapupurga ako sa noodles na. Mapupurga na ako sa noodles.
How much did you pay for these?
I don't remember. How much is it?
Mm.
Magkano po yung hopia, te?
$320.
$320. I don't know how much.
Ang bitin niya.
Yeah. I don't know how much you paid for that. Ayan, may Argentina dito, corned beef.
It's a nice river you have out there.
Always like that. With rain and stuff.
I think that's it. Ayan, mura lang dito. That's it, Canton, 50p. Ay na dito. Happy na ako. Ay, sandali. Kapag pala ako nito. Ito masarap tong bihon kasi pag may ganito ka, dagdag yung bihon. Ano naman kopi ko? Munggo. Nandito na lahat. Okay ko yun. Bibingka. Dingdong. Dito to sa Peterborough, mga bebs. Sa Peterborough. Kokoro. Sa Kokoro kami. Mga Korean food yata ito. Yan. Sushi and bento nakalagay. Kay tatay chicken katsu. Masarap siya. Ang Kokoro, masarap tong chicken chicken roll yata. Sushi roll. Parang ganun. Sarap siya.
Is it okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Do you need more sauce?
Hmm?
Yeah, more sauce.
Do you want more sauce?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. It has a little bit of spice in it.
Really?
Look. Up. Gusto ito inumin namin. Hello. Mango juice with sweet olive. Aloe vera siya. It's mango, babe. Paano mo na ba?
Always smells.
Blood, oh, ayan, oh. Baha siya. Tingnan niyo. May baha. May baha, may baha. Ayun yung sinasakyan namin, X4. Ayan. Ikot-ikot sa X4. Ayun sa X4. No, I just said it because I didn't look. Yan, nandito na si Ella Tot. You look like Bruja again, Ella. Ay, nako. You need to wash your hair today. Okay? I think you should go have a shower now.
Oh yeah, we said.
Yeah, come on. Upstairs. Shower na siya muna kasi lagi na lang kaming late. Maliligo siya. I already told you, yes. Yan, lagi na lang kasi siyang late. So, kararating lang pala namin ang mga nabili namin. Ha? Epi. Bigay ko sana to kay Ella. Ninom ko na. Ella! You want some?
Did you get the microphone?
Oh, where's the mic? I knew it, Ella.
Yeah, I know. You told me I was gonna forget it, but I did.
We did talk about it, didn't we? What are you gonna do? You didn't know.
Yeah, I forgot to take it off, but then then Audrey told me, what's that? I was like,
Audrey.
I was like, what?
Also, but did the teacher ask you, told you as well about the mic?
No.
Oh, babe. No,
Teacher?
they didn't tell her about the mic.
I told Jane.
Audrey found it. Audrey told her.
I was like, what's that? I was like, what? What?
So, ayan naman nabili natin sa ating,
I told
pagpunta. AMJS pala
you said
yun.
that I forget it.
Yeah.
And I did.
Filipino store sa sa Peterborough. Konti lang naman yung nabili ko mga babes. Hindi naman ganun karami. Pero 14 pounds. No. 14 oo. Kulang 15 pounds din. Ayan pang pang palabok. Nabili ako. Pang pansit ulit.
Put them in the bin. It's from somewhere.
This has
No, because sometimes you need it. You use it sometimes. That's why I fix it.
this is
Do? Don't say no. You do it sometimes. Because I said you might need it, because sometimes you need it. There's only two there, it's not holding. Sorry, I thought of you. Sorry, I thought of you. Anyways, maliligo muna si Ella mga bebs. Dito muna ako sa taas, hintayin ko siya. Kasi hindi namin iniiwanan kasi nga dati tinry namin na hindi kasi malaki naman na siya. 2 beses nang nadulas kaya sabi ko hindi na dapat iniiwanan yan pagka naliligo. Nadudulas siya eh. Anyways, maliligo lang muna si Ella. Wait lang. Tutulog na kami maya.
I accidentally brought the mic to school because I forgot to take it.
Kalimutan niya yung mic na naka-ano sa kanya. Naka-clip sa kanya.
You used to kiss me. Lick.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Finish a kiss. He's gone. He's gone. Look. No more. I'm here now. He's gone. Went upstairs. He's gone. Iyakin mo. Iyakin mo. Okay. Ayan, pinaiyak mo. Epi.
I'm gonna say sorry.
Epi! Mag-sorry ka!